What is Atlas? The Atlas Cloud Database is our fully managed database built for a wide range of applications with MongoDB at its core. In this course, we look at how Atlas helps you visualize, analyze, export, and build applications with your data. But there's much more to Atlas, which we can help you explore in other courses. It has many different services and tools available within it, all of which use MongoDB database for data storage and retrieval. In this course, we will use Atlas to set up your database in the cloud. Atlas users can deploy clusters, which are groups of servers that store your data. These servers are configured in what we call a replica set, which is a set of a few connected MongoDB instances that store the same data. An instance is a single machine locally or in the cloud running a certain software. In this case, it is the MongoDB database being run in the cloud. This setup ensures that if something happens to one of the machines in the replica set, the data will remain intact and available for use by the application via the remaining working members of the replica set. So every time that you make changes to a document or a collection, redundant copies of that data are stored within the replica set. When you deploy your cluster for this course, it will automatically be configured as a replica set. While you don't need expert knowledge of clusters and replica sets to get started with MongoDB, I wanted to give you a brief overview of them so that you can navigate Atlas, our documentation, and other courses with ease. Atlas manages the details of creating clusters for you, which simplifies the operational overhead of running and maintaining a database deployment. This includes deployment across cloud providers and regions of your choosing. Atlas is also a great way to experiment with new MongoDB tools and features, which is why we chose it for this course. Atlas has different pricing levels depending on the size and usage of your database. In this course, we will be using the Atlas free tier, which allows you to deploy a free cluster. A free tier cluster is a 3-server replica set with 512 megabytes of storage. Free tier clusters never expire. Under the free tier, you'll have access to a subset of Atlas features like charts and Realm, which we'll discuss later in this course. If you're learning how to use MongoDB or creating small-scale applications, a free tier is a great option for storing your data. If you want to learn how to deploy, configure, and maintain database servers locally, independent of the cloud and cloud providers, we highly recommend that you take the M103 Basic MongoDB Administration course on MongoDB University as your next step. In this lesson, we introduced terms like clusters, which are a group of servers that store your data, and replica sets, which are a set of a few connected MongoDB instances that store the same data. We also discussed what MongoDB Atlas is and how it will be used in this course.